Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We got another unboxing slash review for you guys. It's a Burberry boot that I got recently. This wasn't on sale, but it was the last one in this size, so I had to get it. So let's just go ahead with the unboxing. Box is just a regular box. Okay. This one comes with 2 dust bags, which is nice. Same thing as before, Burberry stamped on the bottom. Comes with a care guide again. Extra shoelaces. This is the waxed version, all black. So they do come in more dust bags, black ones now. Get the other one out for you guys. The right one, this is the left one. Do a quick 360 for you guys. This is a polished desert boot. All black leather, upper, calf leather. See the details on the shoelaces. Some more details on the sole. Has a red leather piping all around it. On a shiny scale, this is again about a 7 to an 8 on the shininess scale. It's not patent leather shiny, but it's pretty shiny. Very good for more formal occasions. If you're going to opera or concert, something to wear in those settings. But if you look at the sole, it's not all leather. It has a rubber right here. So it's very versatile, I think. Also rubber on the heel. I got size 44.5, which is equivalent to 11.5 in the US. I haven't tried these on, but I'm pretty sure they'll fit. See the stitching on the sole as well. If you guys like wearing boots, this is something you might want to check out because definitely easier to get into, and it looks like you're wearing boots. I mean, it is a boot, but it doesn't have all those laces, so it's very easy to get in and out of, I think. The shot inside. Very smooth inside. There's no wax or anything. Again, this is more of a formal occasion shoe. Do a quick weight measurement for you guys. But feeling it in hand, it's definitely going to be a lighter boot. Grams, 636 grams, or 1 pound and 6 ounces, so about less than 1.5 pounds. spin the other one around and call it a day. But that was my quick review of the Desert Boot from Burberry, polished leather upper. Very nice stitching, very soft when you feel it. This may crease a little bit, but since it's so shiny, I think people won't even notice, and yeah. Over here it is a Burberry stamp here as well on the heel. Other than that, it's very low-key, except that it's pretty polished, but I still like it. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this review, like and subscribe.